I'm Bergy the farrier. I want to thank you for giving me the opportunity to present HoofTalk and the HoofTalk method. Lots of things have been said about the lower limb on a horse. The three major components are the hoof wall, the sole area, and the frog. But it wasn't until we started explaining and understanding the dynamics of this conical shape that now we know why the foot is able to act like a heart and bring blood back to the chest. When we say a conical shape, a coffee cup is conical shape. But I'm going to help you visualize a horse's hoof starting from a conical shape. It's tipped back. When we measure hoof angle, it is the angle of variation from the ground surface up the front of that toe. But the hoof wall breaks. It's not a continuous circumference, and this open area is the main reason why our blood supply can be increased in the way we position and support this conical shape. At the load phase, both branches want to move out from 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch. And when you pick up that horse's foot, it wants to dynamically come back. That out and back motion is the major pumping action and the blood supply in and out of a foot. Join us and we will not only discuss the position, the anatomy, the physiology, we'll explain the hydrological effect of why this thing can absorb concussion. A horse can run 40 miles an hour, he can turn on a dime. They're amazing animals. We are learning to take better care of their feet, and I thank you so much for your time. We'll have much to say in the future.